If you are starting a business in the state of California, I want to simplify the process for you and take away the confusion and overwhelm by sending you to a simple government tool that is going to show you exactly what registrations, permits, licenses are needed for your exact business, industry, city, state, and county. The website is called CalGold, calgold.ca.gov. Once you get to CalGold, you're going to enter in your city or county, and then below that, you are going to enter in your business type. Now, you can either enter this in directly, or you can click View All and select from a list of possible business types. Now, what this is going to provide you with is going to be a list of business permits and other requirements based on your exact city, county, and business type. Here you will see things such as business license, zoning clearance, fictitious business name statement, and other requirements that you're going to need to do in order to start a business in that industry within your specific city and county. Each requirement also has the corresponding contact information and links where you can obtain that specific permit, registration, or get more information. An additional place to start and a fantastic tool for starting a business in the state of California are the California Office of the Small Business Advocate Business Quick Start Guides. These are issued by the state and they are industry specific. Click on your specific type of business, and what you will get is a PDF guide with thorough information, resources, and links on all of the necessary licensing, certifications, and business registrations and permits. For example, if you are trying to start a catering business, the Quick Start Guide includes links to things such as the California Retail Food Code, the Food Safety Program, certifications, alcohol licensing, and other required industry-specific things that you must get in line to start a legal business in this industry. Links to both of these tools are available in the video description. Please click like on the video and let me know in the comments if this information is helpful for you and what type of business you are starting.